What's good, YouTube? It's the one and only Sim Bugs, and I'm here to give you the top 5 or maybe 10 top side hustles to help you make your first $1,000 the quickest way as possible. Alright, y'all, one of the top and most easiest, I can say, side hustle you can do as a beginner and not knowing where to go to start making some quick bread is, I would say, by selling things. Even if you have some things laying around the house that you never even used before, get on Facebook Marketplace and you can start looking for some way to sell it at. Even if you gotta sell sneakers is a great way to make some bread, you feel me? Get some cheese in your pocket. If sneakers is the easiest method. I mean, people always want sneakers, you feel me? That's the easiest way to get some bread out your pocket. Like, even if you're buying sneakers and you flipping them, you can be buying sneakers, getting at a decent deal price, and you flip it for more money, you feel me? You're gonna buy the sneaker, you're gonna flip it for a little bit more money. That's how you're gonna make your bread back. Whether it's clothes, sneakers, phones, anything you got, go get on Facebook Marketplace, get on Instagram, get on fucking Reddit, whatever you like, get on whatever social media is, Facebook, like I said, get on all the social media platforms, post it up, get some nice clear pictures of it, post it up. For me, hit some people up, like, yo, I got this for sale, like, you need this for me, it's brand new, unused, whatever. Meet them up, let them take a look at it, give them a price, and you're gonna make some bread. Another side hustle I would say is good, that might take a little while. I would say get you a skill or a trade. Because if you get you a skill or a trade, especially if you're going to trade school, you get you a skill or a trade like construction or like electrical, you know how to work on cameras, you know how to work on something like that. That's an easy way to get you some side money. You can start doing your own side work. Even if you're working for a company, you could do your side work on the side. You feel me? Hit some people up, post a little post on Instagram of your story, like, yo, for me, I'm installing cameras for people who would like stuff like that. That's gonna get you some good customers come in, clientele to come in, and you can easily start doing your own side work on things like that. Things that people don't really know how to do for real. But if you know how to do it, you can make a lot of bread, you feel me? If you know how to cut hair, or if you learned how to cut hair in the past, that's one of the best side hustles you can do, is cutting hair, learning how to cut hair, and really you could get some clients off that. You could really start getting cutting hair and shit. That'll rack you up some bread fast and easy. If you nice with it, you start posting little clips or whatever on Instagram, and these posting little clips on TikTok. You can get some Beijing, some spray on that joint, and that joint looking fresh and nice with a little flash or whatever, little story. Post that up. You can make some decent bread with that. For me, I cut hair for a little while. I made some good bread. I ran it up to a word. I got a quick $1,000 in for me like 2 weeks. Like, especially if you're nice with it. If you're nice with it though, like, you can run some real bread up. Your friends, whatever, they're gonna pay you. Like, if you're nice, they're gonna pay. They're not gonna want to go to anybody else that they know, or my man's could do it. He decent with it. Like, if you know how to take pictures, if you good with the camera, you probably even could invest in that. Buy your a little flash. What's that shit called? Fuck. Get you a little light or whatever, a little flash. Get you a nice little decent photographer camera. Not too much money. They got some good ones out here. They got some good Canon cameras or whatever that you can get. That's good for, like, you know, photography and all that. Do your research. I don't really know too much about it. Do your research. Get you a little separate little light camera to hold up on the top like that. The camera. Feel me? Start posting on Instagram, posting on social media. Like, yo, for me, I'm doing photo shoots. You could charge by the amount of pictures you take. So you post up on Instagram like, yo, I'm doing photo shoots. This is my prices. For this many pictures, I'm charging this. For this many pictures and edits, I'm charging this. For this many locations, I'm charging this. That's a good way to make some good bread. Ain't gonna lie, I did that for a while too. Ran up good money off that. You feel me? You can get like you can at least make like a good $200 each photo shoot. If it's depending on what the client want. You feel me? You can make a good $200 each photo shoot, depending on the client. And if you really getting clientele, you really got some people that's lined up trying to get some photo shoots out you. Make some cheese, word. Another good side hustle I would say is if you got like a dog or something like that, or even a cat. I don't know. Find a maiden, somebody who want to mate their pet with you, or even if you got a dog and you buy another dog or buy another cat or buy another cat, mate them, post it up online like, yo, I got puppies for sale, I got kittens for sale, stuff like that. People want. You got holiday season come around, you got birthdays that's always coming around, whatever. People gonna want pets, people gonna want dogs, people gonna want cats, whatever you got. Post it up on Instagram, post it on Facebook, whatever, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, do all of that, and that's gonna get you some good bread. That's one of the best side hustles I could say. That'd be easy and good for you to do. All you gotta do is look after your pets, let them mate, you feel me? Make sure you're doing the right research and make sure you know what you're doing. And can have some puppies. Dogs, they have like 10, 12, 13 puppies at a time. So if you're selling all the puppies, you make some good bread. You can at least make over $1,000 selling all those puppies. If you sell all of the puppies, you can make over $1,000. You're charging like a good price, $250, $300, especially if it's a good dog breed, $250, $300 a puppy. Like that's easy bread. Then in the next couple months, you make them again. You can make that back. Easy. You're not really spending that much money on them. You feel me? Feed them, walk the dog, taking care of them, vet and all that. You make all that bread right back. Especially if it's a good breed dog, you got it. Be honest, if you know how to cook for real, start selling them plates. You heard? Like, I'm telling you, if you know how to cook, start selling them plates. You cooking some full course meals. You cooking like big trays of macaroni and cheese, pasta, chicken, barbecue chicken. You cooking some exotic foods, and you really nice in the kitchen, chefing it up. Why not sell plates? Why not get on Instagram, get on Facebook, let people know what you're doing? That's one of the main reasons why a lot of y'all side hustles don't really go up for real. Cause y'all be afraid to post it on Instagram, post it on your social medias. If you got a side hustle going, you got something going, you feel like you're trying to, where you gonna make some money off this, you feel like you get some money off of this, post it up. Don't be afraid, post it on social media. How people supposed to see it? You're not gonna go outside and tell people you're gonna post on social media. They're gonna see it, they're gonna share it to somebody else, they're gonna share it to somebody else. That's how you get your clientele going. And that's how you gonna make some real bread. You make $1,000 in a week or so. Like, selling plates. Besides cooking, you can start making drinks. You feel me? If you feel like you're nice with the mixing drinks and all that, making some exotic drinks and all that taste good, and you feel like it's gonna get you some customers, people gonna like it, sell you some drinks. And it don't have to be no adult beverage or something like that. It could be anything. You could blend some shit up, blend some juices or whatever up. Make some little lemonade, mix it with something else, some fruit on the top, whatever you like, get creative with it. If it tastes good and you feel like it could sell, start selling. Like, get on TikTok or whatever, have people try it and review it, things like that. Even with the plates, have people try it and review. Have people trying to reviewing it, even with the plates. You got people trying to reviewing your plates on TikTok, on Instagram, whatever, posting up like, yo, yeah, you trying my food? What word? That's how you gonna get your clientele going. That's how you gotta get the side hustle going. You feel me? People going jagged. And my last side hustle, I would say, that's good, but that's also long term, but pays off in the long run, is content creation. No matter what type of content you're doing, all these side hustles come with content creation. So this could be a whole nother revenue coming in. Whatever, every other side hustle I named, it comes with content creation, and that content creation can become revenue. So whether you selling plates, whether you cutting hair, whether you reselling stuff, shoes, cars, sneakers, it all comes with content creation. Making drinks come with content creation. All that come with content creation. Selling puppies or kittens or whatever type of animal you want to sell, come to content creation. You could be documenting that whole process, making content, posting that. For me, and then at the end of the day, you're gonna go viral. Especially if people really fucking with you, you're gonna go viral. Alright, y'all, that's all I'm gonna say. I got plenty more side hustles I could name for y'all, but I could do a part 2 whenever I feel like doing a part 2. If you comment down below if you need a part 2, I got you. It's your boy Sam Book signing out. I bet.